I'm done installing the netting. Every bed I put 8 posts on there. And I bought my netting at floral netting at Amazon, and some of them I bought it at Harris Seeds. They have a different length and different width, and that you can select whatever you want. So far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bed in this area beside our house, and some of them there's a lot there at the back of my greenhouse. I planted a lot of my perennial there, and in this area I'm going to plant all my annuals here. So that's it for now. See you again next time. Bye.